When you look up at an object, you will get an angle of elevation. If you look down at an object, you will get the angle of depression. For angle of elevation and the angle of depression, you need to remember these two angles always formed by this horizontal line. In other words, the horizontal line will be the side of elevation angle or depression angle. Same thing to this diagram. Look up an object, so you form an angle of elevation. If you look down at an object, you will get the angle of depression. But for angle of elevation and angle of depression, they are formed by a horizontal line, this line. So when you draw angle of elevation or depression, first of all, you need to draw a horizontal line.
Go to question 1. Gertie is looking at a tree that is 170 feet away from her nest. If the angle of elevation between Gertie's nest and the top of the tree is 23.6 degrees, how tall is the tree? Suppose the tree is over here. This is the ground. Then this is the nest. We draw this line. Then this will be the elevation angle, 23.6 degrees. And here's the 170 feet. This is the right angle, so we're looking for this H. If we draw the tree is here, this is a ground level. This is a nest. So we draw this line. This will be 23.6. Here's 170 feet. We're looking for H. No matter where the tree is, you need to know how to draw the elevation angle. Since this is a right triangle, you can use a SOHCAHTOA to work this out. Or if you're looking for the side, you can use a sine law. I will show you the both way. But normally when you're looking for side, I think sine law is much easier than SOHCAHTOA. So when we do SOHCAHTOA, when you're working on SOHCAHTOA, check angle first. Then you could say this is the opposite side. This is adjacent side. Therefore, you have to use a tangent. We write down tangent 23.6 equals O over A. That's why it's H over 170. Then we do cross multiply. H equals, same line go to denominator, 70 times the tangent, 23.6 degree. We put into calculator, you will get 74.3 feet. Remember, when you're working on the word problem, unit is very important. The other way, I want to show you sine law. When you're working on sine law, you have to figure this angle. This angle that is 90 degree minus 2 23.6 degrees, you will get 66.4. Therefore, you will do 170 over sine 66.4 equals h over sine 23.6. Then you do cross multiply. H equals sine 66.4. They go to denominator. Then 70 times sine 23.6 degree. Then we put into calculator. You will get the same answer, 74.3 feet. Now let's go to number 2. An airplane is flying in a horizontal straight line towards an airport. Find its altitude at the moment when the angle of depression is 11 degrees and the plane is 149 miles away from its destination. Suppose this is the airplane. Then here is a destination. Or the airplane is flying this way. So we have this is a destination. How you draw the depression angle? You have to draw horizontal line first. Then you connect this airplane and the destination. This will be 11 degrees. That's a depression angle. So this way, this will be 11 degrees. You have a depression angle. Remember, we will change into elevation angle. We know from the position of airplane, you will see we have a depression angle. What if from this destination we look up at this airplane? This will be the elevation angle. Depression angle and elevation angle will be equal to each other. If you learned geometry, you could see these two angles are called alternate interior angles. That's the reason why these two angles are equal to each other. So when you have depression angle, normally we switch into elevation angle to work that out. Now, here's the height we are looking for. Same thing. This is a right angle. This is a height. This will be 11 degrees. And here is 149 miles. Then this is 149 miles. You can use SOHCAHTOA or you can use sine law. I just show you sine law and how to do that. This will be 90 degrees minus 11 degrees, 79 degrees. So we have 149 over sine 79 degrees equals 8 over sine 11 degrees. Corresponding angle and a corresponding side. So cross multiply, h equals. The same line, they go to denominator. So sine 79 degrees as denominator. 149 times sine 11 degrees. You will get 29.0 miles.